So today I'll be talking about this thing. This is basically a friction shifter, and this thing is actually quite different from the kind of shifter that we usually find on any kind of modern cycle these days. Those are basically index shifters. So those shifters usually have clicks, and each click means a single shift. But then this is a friction shifter, and it is a very smooth flowing thing, and also this thing is compatible with any kind of speed. When we buy any kind of index shifter, we have to buy it for a specific speed. Like it may be for 7 speed drivetrain system, or 8 speed drivetrain system, or 9 10 in the same way. But then when you buy a friction shifter, it is actually compatible with any kind of drivetrain. No matter how many cassette cogs you have on your drivetrain, it will always be compatible with your drivetrain, since it has a smooth ratcheting mechanism, and it does not have a specific click based system. And this is actually a very old technology. So the advantage is you can buy this shifter once and you can upgrade your drivetrain as you like it. Maybe you may have a 8 speed drivetrain at this moment, but in future you can upgrade it to 10 speed, but you won't need to change this thing. This thing will also be compatible with your new drivetrain, and plus this thing does not need any kind of derailleur adjustment. You just need to adjust the limit screw, and that's it. You don't have to adjust your derailleur or adjust anything as such, because this thing can be easily altered by your motion. I mean, you don't need to do indexing on this thing, because obviously this is a non-index shifter. So that is a very big perk for people who constantly upgrade things on their cycle. And obviously people who actually maintain their own drivetrain, they know how hard it is to adjust indexing on a modern drivetrain, because you have to make it properly accurate, or else your shifting won't be smooth enough. So I'll also be showing you all how to install this thing on this cycle. So watch this video to find out how to install an index shifter on a modern bicycle.
So this is how this thing looks from up close. Firstly, we have to disassemble this shifter like this, and we have to be very careful while disassembling, because this is kind of flimsy, so you might lose the washer or something. So do it with a very steady hand, like I am doing over here in this video. And after that, you have to put this shifter inside the handlebar like this, as shown in the video, and then carefully with an Allen key you have to fix this shifter properly inside the handlebar like this. And the way to tighten this thing is you have to move the Allen key anti-clockwise, as shown in this video. And now you're done. And in the next step, you have to insert the cable, the shifting cable like this. And this is the most tricky part to do, because it is very difficult to set this shifter lever properly. But yeah, you have to be very patient, and you have to have a very keen eye while doing this thing. And you have to fix this thing also properly, because you have to align this thing with that bolt. And once you're done, you have to just place this washer, and after that just tighten this shifter like this, as shown in this video, and then you're done with fixing the shifter in the handlebar. Now in the next step we have to firstly push this lever completely inside, and then we have to fix this derailleur wire onto this derailleur, and we have to make sure that the derailleur is perfectly set to the maximum gear in the rear derailleur with the limit screw. And once you fix this thing exactly at this spot, then you're done. You have to do the same thing with the rear derailleur, but with the first gear like shown in this video, and then you're done with the entire setup. And lastly, you have to just adjust both the limit screw perfectly, and then you're done. And now I came to this nearby under construction bridge to test out the cycle and the shifter, whether it is performing properly or not. And as you guys can see over here in this video, the shifting is happening quite smoothly, and overall the cycle feels quite smooth. And this is me trying to do a quick sprint, and this is how the shifting looks from up close. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Bye for now.